other day we went to the flea market, and so we were wondering what to get, and so I found a beautiful, unique typewriter. Let me go get it. Do not wait. Please, just, if you don't want to have to wait, skip the video till where I do get it. I'm now going to get it and show it to you. Here is a beautiful, unique Adler 855 manual typewriter. It works fine. Let me show it to you. So, right now it's on white because we're not going to be actually using it, but let's see how good it works. Alright, so since it's not on lock mode, it's not working, you just got to flip the lever here, and that will just get it to work. As you see, this is moving, so that means it works. It's got brand new ribbon, just picked it up, ding, and you could turn it back to one side. I'm just glad we found it. It was like $50, something like that. I just love it so much. I hope I'll be making new videos on this. Maybe I'll even write a story. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and I love you, fans. Bye.